Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to stop your microphone from broadcasting your game audio and desktop sounds on Discord. This is usually caused by a single hidden setting in Windows, and the fix is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The number one culprit for this issue is a feature called Stereo Mix. This effectively tells your computer to record everything it hears, including your game sounds. To disable it, right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar, located at the bottom right, and select Sound Settings or Open Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click on More Sound Settings to open the classic control panel window. Click on the Recording tab at the top. Look for a device named Stereo Mix. If you see it and it's enabled, right-click on it and select Disable. Note, if you don't see it, right-click in the empty space and check Show Disabled Devices just to be sure it isn't hiding there. This immediately stops your PC from feeding its own audio back into your microphone stream. Now we need to make sure Discord is actually listening to your microphone and not the system default. Open up Discord and click on the User Settings gear icon. Go to the Voice and Video tab on the left. Look at the Input Device drop-down menu. If it says Default, change it specifically to your actual microphone name, for example, Microphone Realtek Audio or Yeti Stereo Microphone. Do not leave it on Default or Stereo Mix, as this can sometimes revert to picking up system sounds. Finally, there is one last setting that might be causing an echo. Go back to that Sound Control Panel window we opened in Part 1, under the Recording tab. Double-click on your main microphone to open its properties. Click on the Listen tab. Make sure the box that says Listen to this device is unchecked. If this is checked, your computer plays your voice back through your speakers, which your mic then picks up again, creating a loop. Click Apply and OK to finish. And that's it. You now know how to isolate your voice so your friends only hear you and not your entire game. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.